how you can recover your old WhatsApp account without a SIM card. Follow this step so that you won't miss out. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Tap the settings icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Scroll down and select Help Center. Then scroll down again and tap on Contact Support, which is at the center bottom. In the section that says Tell us how we can help, write your query explaining your need to recover your old WhatsApp account without a SIM. After writing your message, tap on Next. Now, choose a reason from the option provided that best matches your situation. For instance, you might select the second option. WhatsApp will provide a list of steps and instructions related to your issue. Follow these steps to proceed with the recovery of your old account, and hopefully, this will fix the issue that you are facing. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.